BAE Systems started out its early life down at Strand Road, Preston. Started out as Dick Kerr's, essentially came from a factory making trams and trolley buses. Then in the the end of the 1930s was taken over for the war effort, 1939, and set off making Hampden bombers. And from there really our association with Preston through to our sites at Samlesbury, at Warton site today, has then grown through. So Warton's essentially our final assembly and test environment for designing new aircraft products and new air systems, and also the centre for we conduct most of our support into our UK and overseas customers. A lot of our employees living in and around Preston, as we've seen consolidation and change in workload across sites over the last 20 years, people have moved with us onto in terms of restructuring sites such as Samlesbury and Warton, but they still live local. They live local, they shop local, they grow their families local, they school and educate, and hopefully dispose of their income local. So we've got quite a big recirculatory economy in and around Preston and the surrounding boroughs, and that's really important to us. It's also important that we've got a good quality of place. It helps to attract the right type of employee when we're bringing new people into the company. They're not just looking at what happens within inside the gates for BAE Systems, they're also looking about what's going to happen with their families when they're at work and through the weekends. We employ people from a whole variety of backgrounds. We're taking quite a lot of early careers people through apprenticeship schemes, a whole variety of different schemes we run, through school leavers, through advanced apprenticeships, through degree applicants, and then we continue to develop those people through life. When you see the airplanes take off, you can't help but get a sense of pride when you see I've contributed to that, and that's for everybody right across the whole business that actually plays some small part in terms of helping get that aircraft away. The way that the structure's changed around Lancashire now with the formation of the local economic partnership, the strength it's now bringing in terms of focusing things such as the EZ, by looking at the regional growth funds, by working in terms of partnership around the Preston City deal, all of that should provide a differentiator for companies considering where to actually put down new routes to formulate business. There's also strength in terms of the universities. The UCLan University, based in the centre of Preston, is one of the fastest growing universities within the UK. What a great place to actually get a vibrant talent base from and actually build that in terms of your people capital.